Hello guys, welcome to Indefinite Technology. In this video you are going to learn how to install Ngrok in Termix. First of all, the use of Termix is in the description. Now just subscribe to Indefinite Technology for more hacking update over Android mobile. Now let's start. Now just download Termix from Play Store.
Just follow the commands carefully. We need to update the Termix app update. Now apt upgrade. It takes time, just be patient. Just we need to access storage. Now change directory to storage. Now open any browser and search for official web of Ngrok. The web appears. Now you just sign up and then download Linux ARM file. Now open downloads by the command cd downloads. Now we need to change the download Linux ARM into home directory. Just follow the command.
Now we need to unzip the file. Just paste it again
and unzip it. Now open the Ngrok page again for the authorization token. Just copy it and run it in your Termix. And to start Ngrok, just follow the command. We have successfully installed Ngrok in Termix and it shows error disconnected. Just turn on your hotspot and wait for few seconds. Then it shows online. If you are interested in hacking over Android, subscribe to my channel. Every day you can learn something new.